Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome again to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness with our crew from Elixir Wellness. Me, United Tieno, Coach Benja. Please introduce yourself. This one is the crew. We've been trying to get him here for weeks. What's your name? Hans. I don't know if it's his real name, but Karibuni Sana. Don't forget, we're here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and at 5:30 a.m. And you can catch all our previous and future episodes on YouTube, Lolwe TV Kenya, to interact with us on the socials. Hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, elixirwellnesskenya.com. Yes, that's the one. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Yes, Karibuni Sana. And today we are having another deck of cards workout, but mainly on the floor. So if you've got a mat, grab it. If you haven't, grab a towel. Yes, and grab a smaller towel for your lower back. You guys know the drill by now. If you're new, grab your water, grab a small towel, and let's go. Yeah. Tunaanzanga hivi na tunafanyanga hii kitu inaitwa active rest. So we're going to do what the cards say. That's what we do. Yes. So I will pick a number. Yes. Diamonds is bridges, spades is leg raises, hearts is crunches, and downward dog is clubs. Don't worry about it. We will show you as we go along. So let's warm up. Let's warm up. Yeah? Yeah? Hands. How are you feeling? Hey, you have nice legs. Rugby legs. For both our boys and for our girl here. Cindy, we're all rugby people. Turn it. Aya, come up. Up. Benza, unaumia? And really. And walk it out. Walk it out. That's it. Aya, twende hapa chini. Tunaanza. Na. Hey, isn't it spades? Leg raises, please, times 6. Let's go. Remember, beginners here, protect your back if you've got lower back issues. And we're going here, push up. If you're more advanced and you want to challenge yourself a bit more, drop down, come back up, and push. Down, up, push. Right? We're going for 6. 10 diamonds. 10 bridges, please. Bridge. Feet on the ground. We're raising. Squeeze that bottom on the up, yes? Let's go. Slow, deliberate. Bring it up all the way into a bridge here. Yeah? You're literally going down and coming back up. Thrust. Squeeze. Yes? That's it. We're going for 10. And then we've got 9 spades. What was spades again? Spades was leg raises, times 9, please. Let's go. So remember, here, beginners, don't worry if you can't get yourself off the ground. Just don't go up here, yes? We're going here, or down, back, up, down, back, up. For more advanced. And now we've got 6 times diamonds, 6 bridges, please. Plus 10 bridges, 16. Let's go. Remember, squeeze. Squeeze. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Remember, we're pushing up here, making that bridge, squeezing that bottom here. Yeah? This week we're working on those madudas. Sorry. Am I allowed to say that? Right. Let's go. Finish. Last 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we've got 2 times clubs, 2 downward dogs, please, followed by 10 and 10 hot. That's 20 crunches, yes? Let's go. So downward dog, we go into plank, feet, heels towards the ground, come back here, heels towards the ground again, that's 2, and then we've got 20 crunches. So remember, beginner, just shoulders off the ground, intermediate, come up, touch your knees, and if you want to make this more advanced, all the way up, elbows to knees, yes? Keep your hands on your shoulders here, elbows to knees, but for a crunch, that's all I need. Hiya, Coach Benza, I think we should turn you on your side so that they can see what you were doing. Okay, spades, leg raises times 10, followed by clubs, downward dogs times 10. Let's go. Remember, it's here, push up, we're not pushing out there, yes? It's just raising that to work on these lower abdominal muscles, yes? Let's go, up. Or you can go down, more advanced, and push up. And push up, yeah? 10 times downward dog, and then 10 times crunches, please. No, 7 times crunches. Let's go. Remember, when we start this, your wrist and your shoulder should be in line, yes? And as you move, they come out of line, but they come right back in. And come back. And right here, we're gonna have a rest. Remember guys, it's always an active rest, which is we get up, we move about. Ochonjo. Right guys, let's just step it here for 30 seconds, then we move into the next job. The next one is heart, so 4 crunches. That's what we're going down to. Remember, while we're having our rest, you can drink water. We just keep moving to keep that heart rate up, to make this as high intensity as we can, yes? Right, let's go. 4 times hearts, 4 times crunches, followed by 9 times bridge, followed by 8 times crunches, yes? Let's go, 4 crunches. 4. Bridge times 9, please. Remember, we're making this line here. We're squeezing that bottom on the top. That's it. Good. You will feel this pulling in the front of your thigh. That's quite normal. You might feel it also in your glutes, yes, as you squeeze, yes? And then we've got 8 crunches, please. Let's go. Hey, Coach Benza is doing some very nice stuff today. I like it. Advanced. Watch Coach Benza. Good stuff. Right, clubs times 9, downward dog. And then we've got spades, 10 leg raises. Sorry? Okay, let's go. Slowly back into plank. Slow it down, hands. Slow it down. Hakuna makasiriko hapa. Hakuna haraka. Pole pole tu. See forward. Don't look forward. So keep your head, your neck in line with your spine, guys. Yes? Good. And then we're going down into leg raises for 10, please. Followed by 10 crunches, yes? Let's go. Remember guys, we're pushing up towards the ceiling, up, not over towards your head, yeah? Here. And if you want to make it more advanced, here and push up. Feet down, back, and push up, yeah? And then 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 crunches, please. Let's go. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. We've got diamonds. 10 times bridge followed by 8 plus 3 is 11. Downward dogs, please. Yes? Let's go. Bridge. Feet on the ground. And we're pushing up. Make that bridge. Squeeze that bottom and back down. That's it. 10, 11. Downward dog. Oh, it was supposed to be 10. And then 11 times downward dog. And then diamonds. 5 bridge. Let's go. 11. Slowly. Slow down, hands. Slow it right down and back up. Good. Come in. Slow. Into plank. Good stuff. Slow it right down, guys. Hii ya leo haitaki makasiriko, haitaki haraka. Easy does it. Good. And push. Oh, let's go. And 5 times bridge, please. Followed by 3 leg raises. So remember, when you come to the bridge, your back is nicely flat on the ground, and we're just raising there into that bridge, squeezing the bottom, making this line nice and straight, yeah? And 3 leg raises, please. Let's go. Followed by 5 times clubs. 5 downward dogs, followed by spades. 10 leg raises, yes? Let's go. So we're starting with the plank hands. Starting plank, that's it. And now let's go up. Just for 5, please. And then 10 leg raises. Your abs might hurt a bit tomorrow, guys, at home. Even now. Coach Benjo says, even now. That's it. Remember, we're pushing up, using these muscles to pull up rather than pulling up that way, because then we're still using these, yes? The idea is to strengthen these down here, yes? Right, guys, up we get. Rest time. Have some water at home, yeah? Keep moving. Remember, guys, we always have active rest, yes? So we don't stand, we don't sit, we keep moving to keep that heart rate going, yeah? Right, we are on clubs. That is downward dogs times 10. And then diamonds, bridge times 8. Let's go. Start with plank, please. Get into your plank position. Drop your bottom for me, please. Hands up a bit. There you go. Let's go. So guys at home, if you're not sure how the plank is being done, just go not too high with the bottom, don't raise your bottom, don't sag your back, yeah? Just here, feel it in your abs, yes? Higher, bridge times 8, please. Followed by spades. Leg raises times 10, let's go, 8 bridge. Seven and 8. Let's go. 10 leg raises. Slow down. If you can, touch down with the feet, with the heels, and come back up. Push up. Otherwise, it's a slow rise. A slow rise. Good. Diamonds, bridge, times 10, please. Let's go. Push. Well done, Hans. Slow it down, though. That's it. Good. Remember, guys, these are functional workouts. Everything is slow and deliberate. You feel it exactly where you're supposed to feel it, yes? Spades, leg raises, times 8, followed by 4 downward dogs. Let's go. Yay! Tuende na tempo ya muziki ama tuendelee tu na hii tempo yetu. There you go. Hands touch down with your heels. All the way down, down, touch, down. Touch the ground with your heels. Touch the ground. Hapo. Guza, 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 guza. Bas, hivyo. Very good. Aya, 4 times clubs, 4 times downward dogs. Then followed by 5 leg raises. Let's go. Into plank, here. Slow down, that's it. Back into plank. Back. Plank. 1, 2. Up. Last one. Plank. 1, 2. Up. Diamonds. 10 times bridge, please. Followed by 10 times downward dog. Let's go. That's it. Perfect. So as you come down, slow it right down. So it's up for 2. Down for 2. 1, 2. Up. 1, 2. Down. 2. Up. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. So as you come up into that, squeeze. Hold. Back down. Hold. Up. Hold. That's it. It's a slow and deliberate movement. Good. Downward dog times 10, followed by 7 bridge. Woo! 20. Let's go. Plank, drop your bottom for me, please. Not too, yeah, that's it. Perfect. Keep your head up a bit. There we go. Let's go, guys. Slow it down. So it's 10 of those, then 7. Leg raises. Oh, no. 7 bridges. 7 bridges. My apologies. 7 bridges, then 5 crunches. Let's go. That's it. 7. And then we've got 5 crunches, please, followed by 2 leg raises. Let's go. And then 2 leg raises. 1, 2. Good, hot. 10 crunches, and then we can rest. Let's go. Oh. Keep going. 9 and 10 and rest. Oh. Mayo. Yeah. Well, how are we feeling? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Good? Guys, we made it to 3/4 of the deck today, so that's really good. So we're going to have a stretch here. It's very important that we stretch the front of our legs here and our glutes because we've worked them quite a bit. But first we're going to start here with our abs, yes? So let's just lie down on our bellies, please. So as you lie on your belly, come up onto your elbows and make sure that your hips are on the ground and we're pushing up. Make sure that your hips stay on the ground. Good. And come forward and push in. And reach over to one side. And then over to the other side. And bring one knee here, really to the front of your mat so that you feel this stretch in your hip flexors here. And reach really to extend that stretch and come back. Bring the other foot forward and really bring that forward. And reaching up and out. And hold it there. And sit. And reach down to your toes, bringing your head towards your knees. And bring one hand to the small of your back here. And we're just going to push over to one side. And the other hand over to the other side. And bring it forward. And lie down for me, please. Facing one side, knees together. And really pull that knee back, that leg back. And turn back over to the other side. And up we get. And reach down. And come back up. Take a deep breath in. Out. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much at home for joining us. And thank you for sticking with it. Well done. Don't forget, you can catch us here on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday mornings, Lolwe TV. And if you have missed any of the previous episodes, and to catch more of our episodes, you can catch us on Lolwe TV Kenya on YouTube. Just search Lolwe TV Fitness and you'll find us. On the socials, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, and www.elixirwellnesskenya.com. I am Naita Tieno, and thank you again. Namaste.
Okay.